How to log into your IMMI account. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation we'll be discussing about logging into your IMMI account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then type in IMMI login in the search bar and you will come across various websites. You need to click on the initial link that is indicating IMMI login, IMMI account, Department of the Home Affairs. Click on it. And as soon as you do that, you will be taken to this kind of interface. And here on this page, look at the login portal and enter the correct form of your username in the first field. Then, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. After you have entered your credentials correctly, go ahead and click on the login button in the right hand side of the screen. And in the case if you have forgotten your IMMI account username or the password, you can click on this username or the password option in order to successfully retry or reset your credentials. And in the case if you haven't created an IMMI account yet, you can go ahead and click on the Create IMMI Account in the bottom of the page on the left hand side. This will let you open a new account. So this was all about it. This is how you can log into your IMMI account. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.